In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an Adobe Acrobat license key. We'll be going through the process from your Adobe Acrobat homepage all the way to the section where you can register your license or serial number. This is a straightforward process, but it helps to know exactly where to click so you can complete it quickly and avoid confusion. Start by going to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Adobe account, since the license key will be added to whichever account is currently active. If you use more than one account, this is a good moment to double check before moving forward. From the Adobe Acrobat homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account-related options connected to your Adobe profile. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just give the menu a second to load fully. Next, click on My Plan. This will take you into the account area where Adobe organizes your subscription, billing, and product information. This section is useful because it brings together the details related to the software and services linked to your account. Once you're in that account view, look to the left-hand column and click on Products. This is the section where Adobe shows the products associated with your account, and it's also where you can manage product registration details. In the products area, you'll find the field where you can enter a serial number or license number. Carefully type your Adobe Acrobat license key into that field. It's important to enter it exactly as provided, paying close attention to any letters, numbers, or dashes. Even a small typo can prevent the key from being accepted. After entering the license or serial number, click Register. That will submit the key and add the product to your Adobe account. If the key is valid and entered correctly, the registration should go through successfully. If you run into an error, the most helpful thing to do is review the number you entered and confirm that you're signed into the correct Adobe account. In many cases, registration issues happen because of a simple typing mistake or because the license is being added under the wrong profile. And that's it. Once the registration is complete, your Adobe Acrobat product should now be associated with your account through the Products section.